Hi, this is Beth Essington. I'm going to show you a little shawl here. Again, this is crocheted and a little bit more difficult, probably not for the beginner. This is a mohair that has a little bit of metallic silver in it. It's very pretty together. It's kind of a pale blue with silver. Very nice. This is a combination of chain stitches, and as you can see in here, you make a little circle. When you start these out, anytime you're doing a square or a circle, you're going to start with a few chains and then you're going to join them together with a chain. This is started out that way, and basically you've made a little circle with chains. You're going to go out from there and you're going to have some double crochets. The pattern will always tell you how many you need to make it, keep it even. After that, you've got more double crochets in between the double crochets. This is a type of a kind of a cluster stitch, which is a stitch that is a combination of double crochet. Most of these are made separately. They're like little medallions, and you're going to put them, you're going to make, quite a few, 20, 30, 40, and you're going to put them together later. And again, all of this work in here in the middle is all chain stitches with spaces. And then as you can see, there's a little flower that's going to be between all of these. When you're done, it's optional, but you can always add fringe at the sides or the ends of any object. Very, very easy. Take a piece of cardboard, wrap your yarn around several times, cut it, and then you just basically put it through halfway and put your ends through the top of the fold of it and give it a little tug, and it sticks right on there. And it makes the items look nice. It kind of gives them a dressier look, I think.